नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम M8 फर्स्ट सेम, थर्ड सेम। Subject name curriculum development and comparative education. Module name primary education in United States of America, methods and instruction. University name Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University. I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Today I will be discussing about primary education in United States, methods and instruction. What are the primary education, elementary education, kindergarten, upper primary education, what methods follow in primary education in USA, and what are the instruction of teaching curriculum and teaching instruction and overall courses talk about in this video. Elementary schools exist worldwide as the basic foundational institution in the formal education structure. Elementary schooling, which prepares children in fundamental skills and knowledge areas, can be defined as the early stages of formal or organized education that are prior the secondary school. The age range of students who attend elementary schools in the United States is from 6 to 12, 13 or 14, depending on the organizational pattern of the particular state or school district. While a few, mainly small rural districts, retain the traditional pattern of grades 1 through 8, a more common pattern is grades 1 through 6 in most school districts as well as in many teacher preparation programs. Elementary education is organized into the following levels. Primary, which includes kindergartens and grades 1, 2 and 3. Intermediate, which includes grades 4, 5 and 6. And upper, which includes grades 7 and 8. A commonly found organizational pattern places grades 7 and 8 and sometimes grades 6 and 9 into middle or junior high schools. When the middle school and junior high school pattern is followed, these institutions are usually linked into secondary education encompassing grades 6 through 12. In comparing elementary schools in the United States with through of other countries, some distincts in terminology are necessary. In the United States, elementary education refers children first formal schooling prior to secondary school. Kindergartens enrolling children at age 5 are part of public schools. Attendance is not compulsory in school system. In many other countries, the term primary covers what in the United States in designed as elementary schooling. In American elementary schools, the term primary refers to the first level, namely kindergarten through grades 1, 2, and 3. The elementary school curriculum provides work in the educational basics, reading, writing, arithmetic, and introduction to natural and social sciences, health, arts and crafts, and physical education. An important part of elementary schooling in socialization with peers and the creating of an identification of the child with the community and nation. In the United States, at the primary level, the first level of organization, the curriculum is highly generalized into broad areas such as language, arts, or life sciences. It gradually becomes more specialized at the intermediate and upper grade levels into more specific subjects because of the generally of the elementary curriculum, especially at the primary and intermediate levels. There are likely to be a greater emphasis on methods and styles of teaching and elementary schools in the United States than in primary schools in other countries. For example, US teachers in their professional preparation and classroom practices are more likely to emphasize the process of learning, inquiry skills, and social participation than teachers in other countries. Instruction in many other countries tends to be more oriented to specific skills and subjects. For example, US teachers in their professional preparation and classroom practices are more likely to emphasize the process of learning, inquiry skills, and social participation than teachers in other countries. Instruction in many other countries tends to be more oriented to specific skills and subjects. The typical US elementary school curriculum is organized around broad fields such as language, arts, social studies, mathematics, and the sciences. The essential strategy in the approach is to integrated and correlated rather than departmentalized area of knowledge. Curricular departmentalization often began earlier in some other countries, such as Japan, China, and India, than in the United States. Elementary school teachers are trained with emphasis on human cognitive and psychological development and the principles of curriculum development and instruction. Teachers typically earn either a bachelor's or master's degree in early childhood and elementary education. Certification standards for teachers are determined by individual states with individual colleges and universities determining the rigor of the college education provided for future teachers. Some states require content areas tests as well as instructional skills tests for teacher certification in that state. Public elementary school teachers typically instruct between 20 and 30 students of diverse learning needs. A typical classroom will include children with a range of learning needs or abilities, from those identified as having special needs of their kinds, listed in the Individuals with Disabilities Act IDEF, to those that are cognitively, athletically, and artistically gifted. Teachers use a variety of ways to teach with a focus on getting learners' attention. Humor in sometimes use cartoons for examples can capture ideas in one image. There is much discussion within educational circles about the justification and impact of curricula that place greater emphasis on those topics reading, writing, math. They are specially tested for improvement. The teaching of social studies and science are often underdeveloped in elementary school programs. Some attribute this to the fact that elementary school teachers are trained as generalists. However, teachers attribute this to the priority placed on developing reading, writing, and math proficiency in the elementary grades and to the large amount of time needed to do so. Reading, writing, and math proficiency greatly affect performance in social studies, science, and other content areas. Primary education tends to focus on basic academic learning and socialization skill, introducing children to the broad range of knowledge, skill, and behavioral adjustment they need to succeed in life, and particularly in secondary school. In general, a student learns basic arithmetic and sometimes rudimentary algebra in mathematics, English proficiency, such as basic grammar, spelling, and vocabulary, and fundamentals of other subjects. Learning standards are identified for all areas of curriculum by individual states, including those for mathematics, social studies, science, physical environment, the fine art, and reading. While the concept of state learning standard has been around for some time, the No Child Left Behind Act has mandated that standards exist at the state level. Basic subjects are taught in elementary school, and students often remaining in one classroom throughout the school day until starting different blocks, except for physical education, library, music, and art classes. However, in the majority of schools, especially primary, physical education, art, and music are not taught. Typically, the curriculum in public elementary education is determined by individual school districts. The school district selected curriculum guide and textbooks that reflect a state's learning standards and benchmarks for a given grade level. The board, the broad topic of social studies may include key events, documents, understanding and concept in American history and geography. And in some programs, state or local history and geography. Topics included under the broader term science vary from the physical sciences such as the physics and chemistry through the biological sciences such as biology, ecology, and physiology. This session is powered by digital version Jyoti Vidyapit, digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. If any query, write in comment box, dissolve your query. Thank you.